going to Wiener Circle.
Not me, it was the pretty dickhead for once.
So how many dicks y'all want?
Several. I want as many dicks as I can fit in my mouth, but for right now...
That'll be 2 dicks.
You don't know.
Do you have the Trump one? No.
What dicks here?
Trump would be like 5. Trump.
Sure you like your dick.
Yeah. Trump dicks aren't thick. Regular dicks are not Trump dicks. Trump dicks are
Like
teeny
tiny.
tiny.
Yeah.
That's what you like?
Yeah.
No. I definitely don't want a Trump
I can
one.
tell by your bottom lip.
Right, as we all do. We're all just like fierce queens who just like want good size wieners
But you're always trying
in
to
our
put
mouth.
yourself.
Yeah, you can just put wieners in
I'm
their
talking
mouth.
to her.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yourself in this shit.
No,
You got all
trying to advertise
no. I'm not trying to speak for her. Whatever you want in your mouth.
What size wiener do you want in your mouth?
Come on.
I thought there was just the one size.
No, honey, there are so many sizes.
Size varies.
Oh, I know, and it's very important. So which I want?
You want the
biggest?
Sure.
Oh.
Sure.
the Polish shit.
Okay, yeah. Can I have one of those, please?
Big Polish shit coming up.
And did you want a chocolate milkshake or something?
No, we wanted Trump dicks.
Chocolate milkshakes.
Yeah. I've been told that I want a chocolate milkshake, and I've been
Shake
told
the
why.
down today.
Okay, well, sure. No, there's no doubt about that. And
I said, what the fuck do you need?
We must have
we all know
the same
right.
idea, yeah.
Right.
Oh boy.
I got her dick. What the fuck do you need?
Can I have a similar dick?
You want the charred dog dick or you want the charred Polish dick?
I want the charred dog dick. Yeah. Thank you so much. He's so sweet. Charred dog dick.
Now, what the fuck do you want, Frodo?
Oh, same.
Say what?
Frodo.
Fucking Frodo.
I like that he's Frodo. He knows like intuitively that you're like the leader of the pack. That you're just trying to get the reign to Mordor, and I'm just Sam.
What the fuck you want, man?
Not
French fries, please.
That's it? The fuck?
I have that. It's like that's square, and I also
I'm
appreciate.
figuring it out, man.
Hurry the fuck up, man.
He's not related to it. He does.
You wanna? Yeah, here we go.
This is honestly the best thing in the world.
Now, guys, you under something.
I'll get it.
No, you're not getting shit, lady.
I'll get it.
Came in with 3 dicks and 6 balls.
I'll get it. I got
I don't
it.
care if they do like dick, okay?
I'll get it.
You got it, my man.
Yes, please.
2 dogs, a Polish.
Ooh, you know what? I'll just get
What do you want?
a Polish, another Polish,
You want a
please.
Polish?
Yeah.
Well, I thought you ain't want nothing but a fry, motherfucker.
I mean, like, I like it all.
Either way.
Thank you.
Fuck you.
I deserve that.
So you got 2 dogs, 2 Polish, 1 fry. That's it?
Yes.
Nothing
Please.
to drink for nobody?
Water for water.
A cup of water?
Soda, please.
Bottle of water?
Yeah, that'll do.
Soda. Fuck you, fry. No. How many bottles of water? 2, 3, 4?
4. Charge me.
$31.
Alright.
Plus my tip.
I will happily do that.
Dude, what's the Polish? Is it a sausage or is it a dog?
Sausage.
Can I order?
Yeah.
Let me do just
fries.
Oh, I ordered fries. Yeah, I ordered fries. Get fries. Those are my fries.
These are your fries too, girl.
I ordered them.
You ordered them and you paid them because American money. I don't know, sometimes I
Those
just
two
like,
hands, motherfucker.
I just have to let me talk the way that I was just,
Fry.
I have no idea what I
Hurry up.
said earlier.
They're super greasy. Hang on.
What are you used to that, motherfucker?
Honestly, you're not wrong.
That's amazing.
We saw you smiling, we know you like it.
What's on that bowling?
Oh, what is this?
Well, what you want on my dick, lady?
I want everything.
Everything? Good decision.
That is a good decision. Honestly,
Why would you choose anything else?
no, why would you
Exactly.
choose anything when you can have the very most?
What he usually gets.
What do you...
Like, what do abusers want? Just listen to abusers, it's fine. Hear the silence?
Everything. You want everything. You want everything on that dick.
Yeah, that's what abusers want. We heard it. It's fine.
That's why...
Stop.
Make sure you use two hands to grab my dick, okay?
Exactly.
Exactly. And also,
Big, okay?
Oh, it is
I'm
very
making
big.
very
Thank
funny
you.
jokes, and it's
also it's called satire.
Thank you. Chicago style.
Chicago style. Also pepperoncinis.
Chicago style, two hands on the dick,
Like-
etc.
Like we jest, but also like look at the art in that. Like it's very like pleasing.
It's deeply vaginal.
It is deeply vaginal.
it is.
But at the heart of it is a dick, which is what we want out of a good hot dog. At the heart of it, we want a dick split in half, or quarters.
Quarters. That's
Yeah,
We don't want.
Vag
We don't
split
want
in
that.
half, a dick split in quarters.
A veg split in half, dick split in quarters is the name of my new visual album. You can check it out on iTunes.
Hey,
Alright.
dickhead, what's on the hot dog?
I will also have everything.
Everything?
Yes.
What about you, dickhead?
Yeah, same.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, deeply.
Man, fuck y'all, man. Don't say thank you.
You know you love it. Go fuck yourself.
No, I don't, motherfucker.
We have different styles. He has. I have
No, how would
find
you?
this.
No, it's nice to have niceties. It's nice to say, let's be nice to one another.
It's nice to say,
Well, yeah.
shut the fuck up.
Exactly. And that's fine.
Exactly. That's what we're doing.
That's a nicety.
We're just like.
You want us to say shut the fuck up, and that's fine. And as soon as you give us our hot dogs, that's
We will
where
shut
we'll
up
be at.
because
I'm about to give you your fucking hot dog.
Because-
So you can shut the fuck up.
yes, the
And then we'll be
metaphorical dicks will
at
be
a
in our
perfect
mouths.
silence and
Alright, here
everything.
you go. Shut the fuck up.
Thank you.
One,
Thank you.
and two, and we're so happy now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Honestly, you're an angel and you're doing the Lord's work.
Oh
Exactly.
my god.
You know you're doing the Lord's work. Don't be angry about
You
that.
can get his picture of many.
Don't come here to be angry. I mean, nice, motherfucker. Only person be nice is the lady. Little Red Riding Hood.
Thank you.
She's from
Little Red
Australia.
Riding Hood.
She's from very far away. We're
Right.
compensating
But
for
she's
her.
been over the river, and by the river we mean the Pacific Ocean, and through the woods, and by the woods we mean the redwood forest. I don't know.
I thought if I give you a hot dog, you'd shut the fuck up.
You guessed wrong.
You were. Well, guess what? You're wrong now.
What you just
That's
said,
a Kelly Clarkson lyric. Do the kids know about Kelly Clarkson's first album? Do you know about Kelly Clarkson's first album? She had a duet with someone that I forgot who was on the first season of American Idol called You Guessed Wrong. That's not what the name of the song was.
Couldn't tell you.
But
You're looking
it's
at me
out
there.
there.
I'm gonna help.
Look it up. Look it up. Google it. It's really
Hey,
Google.
do what you do best. Put the dick in your mouth and shut the fuck up, okay?
That's probably
He's
right.
not wrong.
I'm not,
That is what I do.
okay?
Shall we have like some?
Let the fucking food get cold, motherfucker.
Okay.
I'm ready. Okay. So describe the hot dog.
My first Chicago hot dog.
What
See?
you would
No
make
ketchup.
No ketchup.
This is a Polish.
Right.
Polish.
But also, you did.
Oh, God.
Right.
Really good.
I got it, so. Yeah, thanks, man.
Really good.
All right.
I'm loving the salad.
Yeah, celery salt
It tastes healthy.
and tomatoes.
Yeah.
Tastes healthy. Thank you. All right.
Oh, there you go. Like that, dude. I'm just playing with the tip and shit, man.